What's up? Mark from Straight to You Tech. And yeah, I know I've been on hiatus for a while. I haven't been doing many videos, but you know, I got life. But I did put something good in my life, something new, and that is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you've been knowing that I've been doing a lot of Samsung Galaxy Buds regular videos, and do still got them right here, working great. But I gotta do something better and new. So, got the Galaxy Buds Plus, and this video is gonna be an unboxing and initial thoughts of the Galaxy Buds Plus. All right, so let's go ahead and just check the back. Let's check the specs. Let's look at the box first. Pretty much the same box you got from last year. This has only been out for a couple of months. Whenever the Galaxy S20 Plus and Ultra and all that stuff with 5G came out, that's when these came out. Same box. The price on these anyway is going to go $149. Now we're going to definitely see if it's worth it. So let's go over some of the specs. So here's what I bought it for. 11 hours of playtime. I mean, come on, 11 hours of playtime per charge. That's what I'm talking about. Then we got two-way speakers for rich sound. So we're talking a woofer and a tweeter in each earbud. Then we got triple mics for clear voice calls, so you won't have no echoes and stuff like that, and better noise canceling on your calls. And then we got Qi compatible wireless charging, or QI compatible wireless charging, whichever one should call it. It should work on any wireless charger. And we're talking about the case, people. So all right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Got no special knives here, it's got a little razor. And we're gonna open up this thing right here. So let's cut it right here, and let's cut it right here. All right, should slide right open. Let's see what's up. Oh yeah, we got that shiny box bag. Oh yeah, instructions in the bottom of the box. Okay, just get this box, turn it around, grab that tab. Okay, and here's your instructions, in case you need them. And look at the old one, look out the matte finish. I want the shine, that's what I'm talking about, I like that. Okay, so we got let's go over the same stuff probably last year. Same stuff as last year. So we got your, looks like it's going to be USB Type-C, Type-A charging cable. And then we're going to have nothing else in the box except for the little compartment where you got the buds and everything. Well, not the buds, but you know, the little cushions and everything like that. It's all up in there. So you got small, medium, and large, and you got a couple of side cushions for the sides of, you know, sides of the buds. All right, so we got all that in there. Well, I guess it wouldn't be fair if I didn't bring them out. So, all right, that's cool. It's all fall in there. All right, so you got your little fins right there to keep them in your ears and stuff like that. Got a couple of sizes, one without the little fin. Got these. Okay, there's a little bit of a difference now. They're kind of transparent this year, so that's cool. I like that. So you got your small and your large right there. Probably the medium's already probably installed on the buds. Same stuff there, small and medium. Fin, fin. All right. So we got all that stuff there. Let's get to the real deal. Now, I remember last year it didn't come with this little thing around it, but see what we got here. So we're gonna go ahead and tear that open. Didn't tear right. Or making things complicated. I don't understand. You know what, I'm just gonna get into it. Getting tired of messing with stuff like that. All right, here we go. Getting all this stuff out of the way. Galaxy Buds. Yeah, I'm liking this case. It's looking so much better. And it looks exactly the same size. Let's do a quick comparison real quick. So see how beat up my case is. You know, you see my video, dropped them a couple times or whatever. Same size, exact same size. A little bit more weight. Okay, buds is in there. Let's see what these buds looking like. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Like what's going on here. Looks real good. Buds exactly the same size. Real shiny. I missed how my regular buds look like. They look like this when I first got them. All right, there goes your left and right. Like I said, cushion's already installed. It's going to be the medium one. Now you have to pick the right silicone cushion or the right size in order to get the best sound out of these things. So do that. So it got a little bit of charge in the case. See the LED? It's got a raised left and right kind of thing right here. I don't know if that's a button or what, but it's probably just a cushion, the door or whatever. All right, go ahead, take a look at the back. Man, I ain't bring no microfiber cleaning cloth with me, but got all that good stuff on there. All that legal stuff. Got your USB charging port, USB Type-C. That's pretty much it. Little LED on the front. Let's see if we can get it to activate. Okay, they gave it to be charged up because it got the green light. All right, so that's what we got. So that's what they look like. And we are gonna go ahead and pair these up to my phone, and then we're gonna see how they sound and all that stuff right there. So just give me a second. All right, got my phone set up. It's ready to go. Got my Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and all you need is this app here. All right, I don't know if you can see that, the Galaxy Wear app. Go ahead and get that from the Play Store. If you're Apple, get it from your store. I don't use Apple, but here we go. Go into that app. You see I got the Galaxy Buds already right there. I'm just gonna add a new device. So it says add new device. And it's not talking about backups or something like that. We're just gonna hit add. So it says pick your device. So we're gonna do the Galaxy Buds Plus right there. So go ahead and hit it. And then you just open up the box right here. Okay, and it says Galaxy Buds Plus. It also detects the other Galaxy Buds, but we're gonna go ahead and add the new Galaxy Buds Plus. Keep your box open. I guess allowed to access my contacts and call history, why not? And we'll hit pair. And you gotta install, looks like you install another little app right here. Okay, we're gonna go into the Play Store here. We're gonna install this Galaxy Buds Plus plugin. Go ahead and install that. Okay, and it takes you right back to the Galaxy Wearable app. It says congrats on your new Galaxy Buds Plus, all right? And you can send diagnostic reports if you wish to, but we ain't gonna do that. So you can start Spotify from these buds. I forgot about that. So they got that kind of integrated into the buds. That's kind of cool. And I got everything. All right, I'm just ready to listen to these buds. So we're all set. Everything's set up. We got some new screens here. Look at that. So we got power for each bud. One of them's got 94%, one's got 83%, and the box is even telling you something now, which it didn't do on the old version of the Galaxy Buds. I got 55% in there, and they want me to do a software update, so we'll be right back after the software update. All right, I got everything set up here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing to bass boost, because I'll be loving my bass and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to some music, and go ahead and put these in my ears. All right, and we're gonna listen to something, so here we go. So I got some music queued up here. Got this Gucci Man, Wake Up in the Sky. Let's see how it sounds. I'll turn it up right here with the buds. They definitely get louder. Whoo! Damn. Man, the bass is on. All right, hold on, let me pause this shit. Man, wait, all right. Of course, you take them out your ears and they pause automatically. Just a few seconds of that. They sound better than these, all right? They sound better than the original Galaxy Buds. They get louder. They just sound good. They sound a lot louder, more clarity. The treble is hitting, the bass is good. Man, it's worth it. I'm glad I got them. I'm glad I got them. Man, that's what's up. So let's go back to that app. Let's kind of go over a few things right here. Okay, so you got, I don't know if you can see that. Let me try to zoom in a little bit. All right, so you got, let me just hold the damn phone. All right, so you got dynamic, you got clear, treble boost, you got soft, bass boost, and normal. I just keep mine on dynamic because that's kind of in the middle, but if you a bass head like that, put it on bass, just do that. You got that ambient sound thing, which I haven't tried yet. You know what? Let's try that. I'll put them in, put my buds back in my ears right here, and let's try that ambient sound mode. Okay, I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. All right, that sounds pretty good. I can hear myself pretty good. All right, let's turn it up all the way. Okay, Keep the outer mic clear. That's what it's saying. I guess you can't have nothing blocking that or it won't act right. Get high-pitched sounds. Yeah, you got to read this when you get the buds. So let's go ahead and do that and follow what they're saying. Testing 1, 2, 3. Yo, this sounds pretty good. I can hear myself really good. It's kind of like you're on a phone call and you're hearing yourself through your, through your earpiece and everything. That's what that sounds like. I'm liking that. We got a lot of other stuff in there though, but this ain't gonna be the review. I'm gonna do another video with the review. Tell you exactly how they sound. I'm gonna run these for a week, and I'm gonna tell you if I love them or not. But they are definitely beating these right there. So all I can say is buy the Galaxy Buds Plus. Okay, I don't think you're gonna be disappointed. Just from this little bit of time I've been messing with them. All right, just put them back in There you go. Yo, these are just gonna be my spares, but Galaxy Buds Plus is where it's at. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I'll be right back with my review. Give me about a week or so, and I'm gonna tell you everything I know about them and everything I love about them and dislikes. Mark from Straight to You Tech, and I'm out.